How do we expand single bracket expressions? In this video, we're going to demonstrate the steps and work through some examples. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. To expand a single bracket, we need to multiply the term outside the bracket by every term inside the bracket. The expression here is 3 multiplied by x plus 5 inside a pair of brackets. That means we multiply 3 by x, then 3 by 5. 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. The expanded expression is therefore 3x plus 15. Let's look at some more examples. Six multiplied by x plus 2 is expanded by multiplying 6 by every term inside the bracket. 6 multiplied by x is 6x. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. The expanded expression is therefore 6x plus 12. 9 multiplied by x minus 5 is expanded by multiplying 9 by every term inside the bracket. Paying close attention to the minus sign in front of the 5. 9 multiplied by x is 9x. 9 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 45. The expanded expression is therefore 9x minus 45. Twelve multiplied by 2x plus 4 is expanded by multiplying 12 by every term inside the bracket. 12 multiplied by 2x is 24x. 12 multiplied by 4 is 48. The expanded expression is therefore 24x plus 48. 8 multiplied by 3x minus 5 is expanded by multiplying 8 by every term inside the bracket. Paying close attention to the minus sign in front of the 5. 8 multiplied by 3x is 24x. 8 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 40. The expanded expression is therefore 24x minus 40. Six multiplied by 2x plus 3y plus 3 multiplied by x minus 4y is expanded by multiplying 6 by every term inside the first bracket, then multiplying 3 by every term inside the second bracket, before simplifying the expression. 6 multiplied by 2x is 12x. 6 multiplied by 3y is 18y. the first expanded bracket is 12x plus 18y. Then 3 multiplied by x is 3x. And 3 multiplied by minus 4y is minus 12y. The second expanded expression is 3x minus 12y. The entire expression is 12x plus 18y plus 3x minus 12y. 12x plus 3x is 15x. And 18y minus 12y is 6y. The simplified expression is therefore 15x plus 6y. Four multiplied by 6x minus 3y minus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2y is expanded by multiplying 4 by every term inside the first bracket, then multiplying minus 2 by every term inside the second bracket, paying close attention to all of the signs before simplifying the expression. 4 multiplied by 6x is 24x. 4 multiplied by minus 3y is minus 12y. So the first expanded expression is 24x minus 12y. Then minus 2 multiplied by 3x is minus 6x. And minus 2 multiplied by minus 2y is 4y. The second expanded expression is minus 6x plus 4y. The entire expression is therefore 24x minus 12y minus 6x plus 4y. 24x minus 6x is 18x. And minus 12y plus 4y is minus 8y. The simplified expression is therefore 18x minus 8y. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.